All right, guys, here we are at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We got Baggy in front, all ready for tomorrow's race around the NCM. And what are we here to do, Tonya?
We're going to go check out the Corvette Museum, but not completely because we want you to come check it out for yourself.
Exactly. Let's bring the dwellers inside. Baggy's running.
Baggy, behave yourself.
Behave yourself, Bag. He is all ready for tomorrow at the NCM track. Again, we're in
cool
the National Corvette
with,
Museum.
Contributors' names on it. Corvette clubs. You follow the checkered flags, and into the museum goes the.
Oh, wow. Well, Tonya, let's show the viewers what we got.
Maybe he was trying to go too fast. Dude,
Let's go. What's going on, cave dwellers?
What's up, guys?
So we are here at the Corvette Museum, and it's July 31st.
Last day of the month.
Last day of the month. Rocking Camaro Cave, and we wanted to bring you a little inside of the world's famous Corvette Museum.
Bowling Green, Kentucky.
In BG, Kentucky.
So for all you guys on your way in for the weekend of Camaro Fest, this is one of the gems that you need to come see.
This is a must.
This is a must. You can't get into the factory, so this is the next best thing.
Exactly.
So come in here and see where everything's at. Come see the famous Sinkhole. Come see the cars that were in it. This is your last chance to do so.
Yep. Plus, all the new 2024 models are here as well, so that includes a couple of the higher models. Maybe you'll see them.
And then you can sit down and have a bite to eat, get your picture taken at the end. Good times. So we're going to take you through some niblets. We're not going to show you the whole thing, but we're going to take you through some niblets, give you some teasers to come in and check this out yourself.
Exactly. Let's get to it. Go for it, babe.
What's up, dwellers? So we are inside the Corvette Museum. We are with Mariah. She's going to take us on a real quick what's new for those of you that come every year. And for those of you that have never been here, we'll take you on a more in-depth walk through here in just a bit so that Mariah can get back to her normal daily whatevers. We have just we're twins. We love the same things. So anyways, now that we're done geeking out, let's let Mariah take us through some of the new stuff real quick. Go ahead, Mariah.
So this is the McMichael Family Education Gallery that we opened in April of 2023. And we know that in most museums there's that, oh, you can't touch, you can't cross the barrier mentality. But the Education Gallery really takes that away by offering 6 different design tablets where visitors, whether they're kids or adults, can come in and really design their own Corvette. So of course you can choose whether you want some shark inspiration or fighter jet inspiration, or you can free draw. We've had some really cool designs come through from even our youngest of Corvette enthusiasts to gearheads from across the board. And then you can take that design and send it to a 20-foot wall in the back so you can see what that car would look like if it were full size. And of course we've got some other really cool touch elements too, but that's one of my favorites.
Look out, Adam Berry.
That's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
And you said this opened in 23, right?
April of 23. Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll swing back through here in a little bit. All right, what else we got?
Love the Chevrolet sign.
So of course we've got our Ecos Marshall Memorial Performance Gallery. We know that some of the different cars change in and out of this space. So if you're a gearhead and really like the performance, be sure to come and check out this space and all of the great performance vehicles that we have. But new to the floor this summer is, of course, our C8R.
C8R, the race car. Very nice. Let us know what you think in the comments, dwellers. We would love to hear what you are thinking. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, guys. You gotta come see this in Bowling Green, Kentucky at the Corvette National Museum. We're loving it. It's so beautiful. I mean, Come on, don't forget to smash that like button if you like what you're seeing. We got more coming.
Yeah.
We're geeking out over there. Wrists.
All right.
But we're going to get back over here.
All right. We're visiting about Pandora.
Yeah.
Girl cave stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
You can like jewelry and cards.
Well, we do two sections. We have the Camaro Cave.
Uh-huh.
This.
Yeah.
And then every other week we do Girl Cave because we have a lot of girl Camaro drivers.
That's awesome.
And so we talk about everything from jewelry to makeup to changing your oil and all kinds of stuff. And we have just as many guys in the Girl Cave as we do.
That's awesome. So we're coming up on Ground to Sky, the Sinkhole Reimagined, which just opened last month. And if you don't know, 2024 is the 10th anniversary of the sinkhole that happened here at the museum. So this exhibit doesn't really commemorate the event that happened itself, but where the museum has gone and come to in the last 10 years. So we've got a few of the sinkhole cars on display and then 3 of the restored cars, and there were only 3 restored. We also have some really cool artifacts on display, like the keys from each of the 8 vehicles that fell in that not everybody gets to see, which is really neat. And then of course this is also an interactive exhibit, and something new that the museum has done is we have installed Braille exhibit labels in this exhibit as a collaboration with the American Printing House for the Blind.
So that one did get redone.
Correct. It's the 1 millionth Corvette. There were 3 that were restored. So that one, then we had a 1962, and then of course the 2009 ZR1 Blue Devil.
The Blue Devil. Yep.
Yes.
That's so cool. And there's still some down there?
No,
No?
all 8 were extracted, and like I said, 3 were restored, and the other 5 were left damaged. We have 2 on display. So we have the Spider and the 1.5 million Corvette. So you can really see the damage that occurred to both of those.
Wow. Oh, let's go take a closer look. Doors. 1 millionth Corvette. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy. You gotta come see this place. It's unbelievable. And of course, look at the damage after the sinkhole. So we got a 2009 1.5 millionth Corvette, which they couldn't save. Look at all that damage. So imagine it was brand new and then just got sucked up from the ground. Kind of crazy. And then look at this one over here. Oop, you even got Braille. That's really nice. 93 Corvette ZR1 Spider. This area just opened, guys. So this is new to the museum.
Multiple things happening at the same
Look at
time.
all that damage. That's
We had existing single line
And of course, we bring you the nice stuff here at the Camaro Cave, showing you a little bit of everything here as we make our way to Camaro Fest.
the things we spent
2024. And of course, everyone knows this beauty. This is the devil, guys. The Blue Devil. The infamous 2009 ZR1. I love how they have the Braille, guys. It's so cool. A little bit for everybody. I mean, what's wrong with that? Look at that. I love that color. Imagine how much money it took to restore that. Gorgeous. And all the milestones, which is really nice. You know, there's so much history here. And if you're a Corvette fan, or if you just like American muscle, or cars in general, you need to make it out here to Bowling Green, Kentucky. Kind of crazy. All right, ladies.
So over here we have all the ignition keys from all 8 cars that were extracted from down underneath. And it's kind of cool, like Mariah was just telling me, to see the difference from like an earlier set of keys to a newer set of keys with the technology. And just so you guys know, this exhibit is only here for a short period of time. So sometime mid next month?
Mid-September.
Mid-September, okay. Not next month. So you got a month and a half. So if you're here with Camaro Fest right now, getting ready to come to Camaro Fest, you want to come check this out, because if you're like, oh, we'll just come see this next year, you won't. They won't be here. So get your butts in here sometime this weekend, where you're not going to get to see all of this history. It won't be here.
That's cool how they've evolved over time and they've gotten bigger. And
Nameplate.
C06 nameplate. Crazy.
Spare tire bag.
I didn't even know that came with a spare tire bag.
All right. Let's follow.
All right. On to the next.
Of course, we've got to say the best for last. So quite possibly the coolest thing that we've done in the last year is in, of course, the world famous Sky Dome. We have installed a 8.5 foot tall, 300 foot long LED wall that encompasses the room to make it a 100% immersive experience. And it currently showcases American Love Affair and the 70 years of Corvette history.
Love that.
Oh, so this is the dome
Yes.
that you can see from outside.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. We'll take a picture of this from the outside, y'all.
Oh yeah, 100%.
So as I mentioned, it's 70 years of Corvette history. So if you go around the room, you're going to start with a 1953 cutaway Corvette and end all the way with the 2023 Z06. So it's a really cool experience that showcases all 70 years of Corvette's history.
Very nice. Do you guys have an E right here?
We do have an E-Ray
Really?
here. Right behind us on the turntable is a 2024 E-Ray. And then right next to it is actually a right-hand drive Corvette too. So it's a really cool car to get to see up close.
Very nice. I work at a Chevy dealership, so we have yet to get an E-Ray in.
They're a great car. They're really cool. They're really cool to see.
And what are all of these murals?
So this is our Corvette Hall of Fame. So each year we induct 1 to 2 individuals into 3 different categories.
Okay.
That is GM Chevrolet, racing, and enthusiast. So it's a little bit lengthy of a process to go into the Hall of Fame, and there are only 82 individuals that have been inducted since 1998, so we're on our 26th year. You are nominated by an individual, and that goes to an anonymous panel who then reviews it, narrows it down to about 5 to 6 nominations per category, and then that goes out to an anonymous panel of 100 Corvette experts who then select the next class of Hall of Fame. So for 2024, at the end of August, we are inducting Richard Prince, who some may know is a wonderful, wonderful photographer for Corvette through its entire lifespan, starting in the 90s through today. He's our enthusiast category. Then we have Oliver Gavin and Jan Magnuson for our racing category, of course, 2 iconic drivers in Corvette racing history. And for GM Chevrolet, it's none other than Tad Schechter, who is being inducted this year. So we're really excited to have that at the end of August.
I know. Today's his last day of work.
Yes, it is. Did you all see Corvette's post today?
No.
It was so cool. They congratulated Tad on his retirement, and they had taken I think it was a C5 or a C6, and then split it down the middle for the photo, and then put it next to the latest and greatest. And it was really cool to see how far he's come in his career.
Yeah, we haven't been online today. So we literally woke up and then hit it. So he's such a cool guy.
He is.
Such a cool
We're
guy.
very
I know
excited to
we
induct
both
him.
met him. Not together, because we had different Camaro lives before they came together. But we both got to be in touch. So he's just such a sweet guy.
He is. He's a great guy, that's for sure.
Congratulations. That's awesome.
It'll be a good group, and here's part of the class now.
Look at this, guys. So much
Let's
history.
circle through on our own.
Those are the 3 big new things, so come check it out.
Sweet.
Alrighty. Well, everybody, let's give a big thank you to Mariah for showing us everything that's new. And then this music is super loud.
I know.
We will come back through together, me and Andy, and show you all of the stuff that's in the museum so that you can come see it tomorrow. You're not going to see all of it because we want you to come out and see it yourself, but we'll give you some tidbits.
Thanks,
Mariah,
y'all.
thank you so much for bringing us out.
Anytime. Glad to have
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
right, Tonya, where we at?
So the Stingray Grill apparently is new since the last time I was here. This was a 50s style cafe. Now it's a fancier type of eatery and has been featured on Guy Fieri's show, According to the Door. It is closed right now. We are between meals, apparently, so we will not get to go in there and enjoy whatever food they're offering to show you. But you most certainly can come during their hours and eat with them when you are here and enjoy a meal at the Stingray Grill. It's like you can eat outside or inside.